Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Two free ribonucleotide units are interlinked with options A. Peptide bond, B. Covalent bond, C. Hydrogen bond, D. Phosphodiester bond. So here they have asked us that through which one the ribonucleotides are interlinked with each other. So to know that, let us discuss about the nucleotides of RNA. Ribonucleotides are nothing but nucleotides of RNA. Mhm. So they are made up of three units. First one, nitrogen bases. As bases, we have adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Second one is sugar molecule. As sugar molecule, we have ribose sugar in RNA. And third one is um, phosphate group. So phosphate group, we have these three molecules or units are connected with each other to form a nucleotide. So they are formed in such a way. So let us see them. This is the sugar molecule. This is sugar molecule which have 5 carbons. So this is the first carbon we have. Here the nitrogen bases are attached. And the other valency place is taken by hydrogen atom. And this is the second carbon, H, OH. And this is the third carbon, H, OH, third carbon. And this is the fourth carbon which has fifth carbon on it and H. And we have here on fifth carbon the phosphate groups are arranged. So this is the phosphate group which is attached to the fifth carbon of the sugar molecule. So this is the structure of the nucleotide. So let us draw another structure so that we can see how both are arranged and connected. So this is the fifth carbon which is attached to the fourth carbon of the sugar molecule. Here the nitrogen base is there. Nitrogen base is here. Only one nitrogen base. So we have to keep in mind that the nucleotides are linked with each other through a bond which is formed always between third carbon and between fifth carbon of another nucleotide. So always the bond which is connecting two nucleotides is formed between the third carbon of one nucleotide and the fifth carbon of the another nucleotide. So let us see how it happens. So in the third carbon of this nucleotide, so in this nucleotide, the third carbon is there now. So here the hydrogen molecule and the fifth carbon की phosphate molecule जो है उसकी OH group एक तीनों मिलके ये दोनों मिलके H2 की फॉर्म में बाहर आ जाती है. So they are released out as a H2 and this phosphate molecule of fifth carbon, तो fifth carbon का phosphate molecule जो है वो खाली पड़ जाती है, इसलिए ये इस oxygen molecule से जुड़ती है. So this phosphate molecule goes and attaches with the oxygen molecule of third carbon of other nucleotide. So to connect with that, it forms a bond with that oxygen molecule. So उस bond को हम phosphodiester bond कहते हैं. So I'll show you how. So this is the molecule with oxygen molecule. As the hydrogen atom is removed, only oxygen molecule is left over, and the OH group of the phosphate of the fifth carbon is also removed. So it forms a bond with oxygen molecule of this nucleotide. So this is the third one. This is the fifth carbon. So this is one nucleotide and this is the another nucleotide, and these two are attached with a bond called phosphodiester bond because we have a phosphate group with two ester, two esters. So it is phosphodiester bond. So through this bond, the third carbon and the fifth carbon of another nucleotide are attached with each other, are connected with each other. So this is how the link is formed with the help of phosphodiester bond. So in the given options, option D, we have option D, phosphodiester bond is the correct option. To the phosphodiester bonds with two nucleotides are interlinked with each other. Hope you understood well. All the best.